Good afternoon, guys. Me and Melissa right now on our way to downtown Puerto Vallarta. We're walking to our Uber. You know, it's not like tragically hot today. It's like, all right. So I'm not used to that Celsius thing. I feel like it's like 88. So Celsius, I don't know, 30, maybe. I guess that. Oh, let me get my mask back on. In 4th Street. Oh, let me look at mine. I did. This step. Getting burnt, you guys. You can see. How long does it take for a tan to wear off?
A suntan?
Yeah.
Huh.
There's definitely booty games.
Is that someone's house or is that like a public?
Oh damn.
Staircase?
Oh, we're gonna see.
It looks like a gateway.
Oh no, it's right there.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So if you haven't been here, here's what you'll see. You walk around. Walking up and down and seeing that they kept the graffiti in Monterey, they're actually they're actually removing a lot of the graffiti. I wish they keep some of it. I'm not gonna lie, but it doesn't work. They're removing it piece by piece.
You're
Even though Malecon.
Oh, the Malecon is like where all the statues are and all.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we've been
big
there.
Walkway. There's a street called Apostolo, and if you go up that street, there's tons of murals. There's actually a Facebook page for like street art Vallarta, and they give you like maps and stuff if you're really into this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So much. Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
Who says you can't get info from a stranger?
Oh yes, this is the Einstein. Ooh.
Yeah, I want to see that Einstein thing. I know we drove by it, but gotta get a shot of it.
We'll find it as we go. What
Yeah.
was meant for us to see will find us.
I'm glad I wore the slippers. Sand in your shoes, you guys. Sand in your shoes. These steep steps. Deep too. You can definitely do some hills on them. At time. I'm gonna try to have it today. I feel kind of bad trying to have it because it's COVID, but I just want to try. I'm gonna try. I see people do it all the time on YouTube, so I'm gonna try.
Huh?
You said you've haggled before?
Yeah. Like tax sales and
No,
stuff
thank
like
you.
that. Or garage sales, what part of what you call them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, stuff like that. Like I love antiques and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So you always gotta. You obviously at the right places you can do it. You can't do it everywhere. But
I don't want to go here.
oh, it's too many.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, thank you. No, gracias. No, gracias. I don't want to visit. Oh, they look little beach club. Oh. Oh,
Are you ready for happy hour, amigos?
No, thank you.
I got a table on the beach.
Really? There you
Put those seats because I might want to get
Yeah,
the,
come on.
whatever I'm going to get for my family. I might make some time to get it today.
Okay. Yeah.
Tomorrow we're just going to go to the beach, right?
Yerp. She went in there. She gonna get us coat. Oh yeah, I think she was in there. She really buying us wrong. Melissa's smooth, y'all. She's smooth. What? She better haggling at me. No, I wish I would have got another camera.
People got how to do it. You got to run the game right back.
I had like the beginning of it on the camera. I was like, all right, let me turn it off. I didn't know. Hey, I was like, I didn't know. Whether or not you was really going to get it. I saw you haggling. I should have cut that camera right on. Oh, no, thank you. See, like, there go the blankets, but that's not the style. Hey. Big spender. Hold on, he has the blankets. Let me see if he got them. I'm going to see. I'm looking for one that's like tan and white. Okay. Let me show you. Oh, snap. I think that's the one.
Make it special for my amigos.
Yes, how much is this one?
Este es 650 pesos.
350?
No, 850, 850.
850?
850. This is a handmade. That's a lot. How many you need?
I don't know, 850. That's pretty high. Oh my goodness, so that's beautiful.
See, I got a nice selection. How many you need? Uno, dos, tres?
Just,
Two, cheaper by the dozen.
just a that's a good one. What do we do? What do you do? 5?
You need 5?
No.
Oh.
850. Yeah, 500. What about 500 for
How
this?
about 800?
800. Yeah.
800.
That was too hot. They were. I didn't buy it in
Mira,
Sayulita.
give me 750.
They were offering this for like
750.
300
750.
on the beach.
No. In the
Yeah,
beaches, I got this
yeah.
one. No, I got it for the beach.
No, I don't like
You
that
have
one.
this-
I don't
you
like
have
that.
this one. Nobody
I like
have
these
some
ones
those
here.
in the beach.
They
Because
were selling these on the beach, but they
No.
were giving it for 350. But I was like, nah, I wasn't ready
Mira,
to
give
buy.
me 700. You got a deal. 700.
700.
7.
I gotta think about that one. Let me think about that one. What about 6?
How about 650?
650.
All right.
Let me see. She got 100. And let me see if I get.
She have mucho money for you. She have mucho dinero.
She got with your money to you. Ooh.
This is for like,
Oh, you,
and it helps
Sí.
with the pain and stuff
Sí,
like that
señorita.
too. How much is this?
300 pesos.
300?
No, 3.
Oh, 3 pesos.
three.
Oh,
3 pesos.
I was
That's
like,
like,
three-
damn.
I was like 300 for this? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'll get
I said
this
this one
because
there.
Okay.
this would be good for my mom.
Now, yeah, go ahead.
How much?
Let me think. I gotta think. We're gonna come down and we'll be back up. Let me think about that blanket.
Okay, you get it for your price.
No.
600 right now.
Getting my tan again. Probably if I stay in the house a lot, I'll lose my tan faster.
If you never leave the house again,
So you never leave the house again?
you're in Mexico. Good luck with that shit. Only leave at night.
It's getting darker in Mexico. I'm praying to the travel gods that I find what I'm looking for. And I found one thing. The first thing. Let's go. You'll see once you hit the corner. So we didn't find the Einstein, but it's okay. That's cool. All right, now we just on our way home because it's about to storm. It's about to rain cats and dogs. But gotta put my camera away because it get wet. I don't want to do an exit because I don't want to exit the video because I don't know. Maybe I still see things for you guys to look at. Only this on one battery too. Ha! If we rent one. Nope, that was Sayulita. Where renting golf carts were popular. So me and Melissa here, we were living it up. At the restaurant, we spent $50. We was getting shots. You could eat it at that place we just ate at. Like my, what I have? A chicken burrito, that was like $11. It was fire, like fuego. And then she had like coconut shrimp, which really had coconut in it. In America, it's just breadcrumbs.
It was 230 pesos.
230, so that's like $11.50. So you can eat there at that restaurant. I forgot what it was called. All right, it's about to rain, cats and dogs, so we're gonna go ahead and head in. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me if you guys could do that. I greatly do appreciate it. I will see you guys next week. Continue to be safe. Have a great day, great morning, or great evening, whatever time you're viewing this video. Goodbye.